When it comes to finding the best interior company in Shimla, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design India is known for its exceptional interior design services in Shimla and has earned a reputation for delivering top-notch results. Scon Design India stands out as the best interior company in Shimla due to its commitment to excellence and attention to detail. The company takes pride in its ability to understand the unique needs and preferences of each client, ensuring that every project is tailored to their specific requirements. Whether it's a residential or commercial space, Scon Design India is dedicated to creating interiors that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. One of the reasons why Scon Design India is considered the best interior company in Shimla is its team of talented designers and architects. These professionals bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to every project, ensuring that each design is innovative, stylish, and reflects the client's vision. From concept development to execution, Scon Design India takes a comprehensive approach, ensuring that every aspect of the interior design is carefully thought out and executed to perfection. Another factor that sets Scon Design India apart from other interior companies in Shimla is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company prioritizes communication and collaboration with clients throughout the entire design process, ensuring that their ideas and preferences are incorporated into the final design. Scon Design India also pays great attention to detail, using high-quality materials and finishes to ensure that every project meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best interior company in Shimla, Scon Design India PvtLtd is the go-to choice. With their expertise, professionalism, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are sure to deliver exceptional results that will exceed your expectations. Contact Scon Design India today for all your interior design needs in Shimla. Discover the best interior company in Shimla. Scon Design India offers exceptional design services tailored to your unique needs and preferences.